Your pasta can be perfectly cooked and still taste completely wrong. And the reason has nothing to do with the recipe you used. Most people think pasta quality depends on ingredients alone. But restaurants focus on something far more critical. Pasta has a very short perfect moment after cooking. Chefs know this moment lasts less than 90 seconds. Once pasta leaves the pan, the clock immediately starts. Every second after that changes texture and flavor. At home, pasta is often left waiting far too long, waiting on the counter, on the stove, or on the table. While pasta waits, it keeps absorbing liquid. This changes the structure from the inside. The sauce starts to thicken in the wrong way. What was creamy becomes heavy and dull. Restaurants never let pasta sit still. Pasta is always moving toward the plate. Chefs plate pasta immediately, without hesitation. No pauses, no delays, no distractions. This is because pasta is alive when it is hot. Heat keeps the sauce fluid and responsive. Once the heat drops, the sauce begins to break. Oil separates, starch tightens, and texture collapses. This is why reheated pasta never tastes right. The structure is already damaged. In professional kitchens, timing is planned in advance. Nothing is cooked until the plate is ready. Sauce is hot, pasta is finished, plates are waiting. Everything meets at the same exact moment. At home, people often do the opposite. They finish pasta first and figure things out later. That delay ruins even perfect technique. Timing matters more than precision. Here is the simple restaurant rule. Pasta should go from pan to plate immediately. If pasta waits more than 90 seconds, it dies. Not visually, but texturally. This is why restaurant pasta feels lighter. It is served at the exact right moment. If you want better pasta at home, change one habit. Serve immediately, without waiting. Everything else depends on that timing. And once you respect it, results improve fast. This is just one real restaurant technique. There are many more that change pasta completely. That is why I collected them all in one place. The Italian Pasta Secrets playlist. Watch the next video now.